Hello and welcome back for another Agix price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my breakout targets here on the Agix chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first focus on a chart pattern that I gave you yesterday, which is a double bottom that has now given us the breakout to the upper side, where you can see that we had our common bottom at around the $0.187 mark, and I had this as the first bottom, then the second bottom. And this is a chart pattern that breaks to the upper side, having the minimum target area for the breakout being given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms. I was able to get that height, placed it above the neckline, giving me a minimum target area at around the $0.206 mark, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And afterwards, you can see that we have continued to see higher prices. We have also continued to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is still acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And there are very high chances that in case this impulsive move continues, then Agix is going to break above our next key area of resistance at around the $0.227 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, then I'll be watching for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up to our next key area of resistance at around the $0.25885 mark. So that is the move that I'm expecting, basing it on the key areas of supports and resistances. I'm also trying to track a 5-wave structure here on the charts, where you can see that after seeing this low down here, there are chances that whatever we have over here might be obeying the Elliot wave structures, where we can term these as a wave 1, formation of this wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of that wave 3, before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And if that is the case, then giving you minimum target areas for that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.24215 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Agix to do. So the moment we manage to continue gearing up and see a break above the $0.227 mark, which is acting as a resistance, we get a successful retest, then we can fully maximize our minimum target area for that wave 3 at around the $0.24 mark, then see a wave 4, continue gearing up, and also see a break above the next key area of resistance at $0.258 mark in the formation of this wave 5. So continue watching out for such a scenario, basing it on the Elliot wave structures. Continue watching for that break above that key area of resistance. Also jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis and to give you my long-term point of view here on the Agix chart. You can see that after seeing our December lows, we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.67 mark in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 in a move that has now fully maximized our blue target area, which was the minimum retracement area for this wave 2, giving us a low at around the $0.17 mark. And there are now high chances that that is the low for that wave 2, and soon we are going to start an impulsive move in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3. And to get that confirmation that the low is in and the start of an impulse has started, I'm expecting Agix to give us that 5-wave structure to the upside, followed by an ABC corrective structure. Once you see such a move, that will be enough confirmation, and from that point we can start expecting higher prices in the formation of this wave 3 in a move that could take us above the $1 mark. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 64 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.